Okay, hello everyone. Okay, this is the part 3 of creating a Google Sheet web document shortcut onto the Microsoft Windows desktop. All right, but it should work for all web document. Okay, so what we have previously is we have the icon, the shortcut created onto the desktop. All right, so if this is all you need to do, basically you do not need to watch this video. The first two video is more than enough. So to make sure that it is still working, I will show you my entire taskbar. All right, so I only have my sticky note, notepad, and my cam studio for the video recording. All right, so nothing else is running. Okay, so I'm going to double click this, and immediately you will see the file being opened in the Google Sheet inside the Google Chrome. So if this is all you need, as I mentioned just now, you do not need this video. Okay, the first two video is more than enough for you. All right, but I'm going to double click again the shortcut. I'm going to double click this shortcut again. If I double click the shortcut again, it will create another tab. See, two tab. All right, it will create two tab in the Google Chrome. All right, but here's the thing. Okay, I received a request that someone wanted the web document to be open in a new Google Chrome window. Alright, so someone actually sent this query, and I do not exactly know when this is needed, but since there is a query, I will look into it, and I have found a solution. Okay, so what the person actually want is something like this. So instead of having two tabs, double clicking the shortcut, it should be two separate window, each one with one tab inside it with the Google Sheet document open. Okay, so this is what the end result should be, but I have to go through the step. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this as well. All right, so I'm starting from fresh. Okay, totally fresh. All right, I'm going to launch my Google Chrome first. Okay, basic Google Chrome. All right, of course, you still have to know that setting the default, making sure that you are logged in, password safe, everything that we did in the video part 1 must still be there. All right, so I'm going to go into the app, and of course this is a standard app that I use every day in my home office. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop the shortcut into this app page. So I'm going to drag and drop this into the app page, and when I do this, I get one more icon up here. See that? I get one more icon up here, but I won't bother about that anyway. Okay, I don't bother about this anyway. Okay, right. Now I'm going to right click this, and you will see there is a feature to open as window, but now it is disabled. So I'm going to select it to make sure that it is checked, which means enabled. So open as window. All right, then but this shortcut is actually still in Google Chrome. I do not want that. I want this shortcut to be in the Windows desktop. So I'm gonna create this shortcut in the Windows desktop, right, or wherever you want to put it, but I will just put it in the Windows desktop. So I'm just gonna create this, and now it create one more shortcut for me. the third one over here. So this is the one I want. So let's test this. So I'm gonna close my Google Chrome. Okay, so if I double click this, it should work. Okay, so I will have one. See, I now have one window with my sheet open, which is my Google Sheet actually is open, which is the file that I want. Then I'm going to double click it again, and this time I have another window with the Google Sheet document open. Alright, so here's another one with the Google Sheet document actually open. Okay, so very simple way to achieve this without doing any coding. So I hope this actually solve the problem as well as the request.